Hello and welcome to today's video. We have the SlayGlam Box from March that just now arrived in May. They had a little bit of a hiccup. Welcome to life. That happens. At least it finally arrived. Let's take a look. We have two eyeliner pencils. One is in taupe and one is in brown. Definitely good on length, so they should last a good long while. They will probably wind up in my Find a Future home box just because I'm not an eyeliner person. We have an eyeshadow in the shade Gold Goddess. I like that name, and I like that shade. These are from a company called Amorous, and these are part of their Jello shots. It's a jelly eyeshadow, and we're not going to dig into it yet. There is a safety seal on top of that, so we're not going to dig into it yet because I don't want it to dry out, but it looks fun and exciting. Oh yes, it does. This next one gives me the giggles. It is a bronzer or a highlighter or an eyeshadow, could be all three actually, and had a hard time figuring out the brand name. The shade is medium brown. The brand name, I was having a devil of a time trying to figure out Sorich, and then it finally occurred to me. So Rich. Sometimes you have it and sometimes you don't. It does look like a nice shade though, but yeah. This is from Cheeky Rose Beauty. This is their Glossy Baby 12 Universal Lip Palette. There are some interesting shades in there, as well as some things that you could blend together depending upon your needs, likes, and or desires. Since this was supposed to be the March box, the theme had a pot of Lucky Charms or Lucky Gold for the eyeshadow palette. This is a Lurella palette, and these are the shades, and Fatima is holding the top. The top comes, it's a magnetic top, so it comes off of the palette. There is a mirror on the other side. I don't know if I can show it to y'all without blinding everybody. Okay, here come the swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like to swatch, and I like to shop. And what have you seen in this box that attracted your attention? I think my favorite is the palette. I would agree. I think my favorite item from this box is the palette. Comment down below. I want to know. A real quick look at the nitty-gritty shows that we paid $24 for the box. Shipping is free. With taxes, we were $25 and change. And the retail value, as near as we can tell, because it does not come with a card, but Anne looked up the information, as near as we can tell, we got $56 in product. I was quite pleased with this box. Unfortunate that it had a 2-month delay, but that's the way life goes sometimes. And I do appreciate the folks over at SlayGlam. They did keep us well informed over on the social media app Instagram, kept us well informed as to the fact that they were going to have a delay, that they were holding further billing for future months, and they were taking care of getting us this box before they did extra billing. So we definitely appreciate that, and we understand that sometimes life has to take precedence over a box of makeup. Thank you for watching today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel. That's free. And you get lots of fun adventures. Comment if you haven't. And we hope to see you in another video. Did you like my swatches? Let me know.